Hi everyone, I am Dipanshu Garg and welcome you all on an Academic Catalyst. This is Quant 100 Important Short Tricks series, and this is trick 8, and I will discuss today. It's a very important trick and the easy one, right? So now, everyone ready? Start now. Okay. So first of all, some important announcement. Now, subscribe for Iconic Cat 2021, and these are the benefits of Iconic personal matter, test analysis, OMETS preparation, and all benefits of Plus are included. And the next thing, get mentored by graduates from top B schools. And these are the learners from CAT 2020 who score more than 99% in CAT. Now, for 1 year, last 8 days before the price hike, enroll now, and this effective from 14th of April. Okay, so for 1 year, this is 17,500, and after price hike, this will be 22,550. For 2 year, this is 21,000, and after hike, this is 32,800. And for 1 year subscription is 17,500. If you apply this referral code GURGLIVE here, right, so you will get 1 year subscription in 15,750, and for 2 year this is 21,000. After applying this code, this is 18,900. Now, now, now the trick is what? Now the trick is what? The cost price of 20 articles is the same as the selling price of X article. Just given here the cost price of 20 articles, right, and that is equals to what? That is same as the selling price of X articles, right? If the profit is 25%, if the profit is 25%, if the profit is 25%, what it means? 25% means 1 by 4. That means if the CP is 4, then the profit is 1 and the selling price is 5, right? Or I can say that 25% profit means if the CP is 100, profit of 25, then the selling price will be 125. Cut this by 25, 4, 1, 5. Okay, now how to solve? After that, CP of 20 equals to SP of X. Now I can say that CP upon SP equals to 20 by X. And I know the one thing. I know one thing. If CP, I know the ratio of CP and SP. If the CP is 4, then SP is 5. I know the ratio. If CP is 4, then selling price is 5. So I can put here CP is 4, then the selling price will be 5, and that is equals to what? 20 by X. Okay. So 4 say 20, how many times? 5 times. So the value of X is what? 5 into 5, 25. So the value of X is 25. Okay, that's the answer. Okay, now the next one. Now the next one. Okay. On selling 17 balls at rupees 720, on selling 17 balls for rupees 720, there is a loss to equal to the cost price of. There is a loss equal to the cost price of. 1 second. Okay. Now, on selling 17 balls at rupees 720, there is a loss equal to the cost price of 5 balls. I know the one thing, loss equals to what? Loss is when the cost price is more than selling price. Loss is when the cost price is more than selling price. That is the loss, right? Now, what is given here? What is given here? On selling 17 balls at rupees 720, there is a loss equal to the cost price of 500. The loss will be when if you subtract CP of 17 articles from SP of 17 articles, then you will get the loss, and the loss is equal to the cost price of 5 articles. Cost price of 5 articles, CP of 5. The loss is equal to the CP of 5 articles. That's a simple. If you want to find loss on any number of articles, so how to calculate loss? Just subtract CP of 17 articles from and SP of 17 articles. You will get the loss. Okay. Now, if you solve this, I know. Selling price of 17 balls is 720. Selling price of 17 balls is so now take this 17 balls to this side. 17 selling price, right? Take this CP of 17 volts to this side, and CP of 5 to this side. This is 17 CP minus 5 CP. Now I can say that 17 volt ka SP of 17 volts is what? SP of 17 volts equals to what? SP of 17 volts, that is equals to what? 720. Now put here, this is 720 equals to what? 17 CP minus 5 CP, this is 12 CP. So the value of 12 CP is 720. Value of 12 CP is 720. Then the value of CP, will be 720 divided by 12. This is what? 60. So the CP of one article is CP of one ball. CP of a ball is 60 rupees. That's the answer. So now, if you want to calculate loss, just like CP minus SP, if you want to calculate profit, so the profit is what? Selling price minus cost price. That's the process. Okay, so this is the simplest one. And now the homework time. Assignment of the day. Okay, the profit made on selling a 5-meter cloth equal to the cost price of 2 meter of that cloth. Find the profit percentage in selling price each meter of the cloth. Okay, that's a simple question. Everyone try to solve in your homework. And these are the new batches. This batch already started from 5th of April. ठीक है, एब्सोल्यूट वीकडे मॉर्निंग बैच बाय मी, शालिनी एंड आनंद कुलकर्णी. From 7th of April, exclusive weekday evening batch for CAT 2021 by Niranjana Datta, Ravi Handa, Lokesh and Himanshu Das. Okay, now the next one is what? 10th of April, ultimate weekend batch for CAT 2021 by Shruti, Ronak Kumar and Rahul Anand. Okay, these are the new upcoming batches for CAT 2021. If you want to start your preparation, then join now on Unacademy Plus. Just apply referral code GURGLIVE for 10% discount and subscribe now. Okay, now like and subscribe to the channel. Okay, so thank you everyone. Bye bye. See you in the next session.